Kim, the Shelby County Health Department is reporting that more than 30 new deaths from COVID-19 cases over the last 24 hours. But health department officials are clarifying that those deaths did not occur in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, school districts in our area are preparing to take extra precautions with the upcoming fall break, with students and their families possibly traveling. The Shelby County Health Department reported 33 new deaths from COVID-19 on Friday, although health officials are explaining those deaths did not occur in the past 24 hours. According to the health department, their surveillance team updated records Thursday and made changes to reflect the status of 33 people who died between August 15th and October 1st.
You have to make sure that the data that we have eventually, the bottom line, is correct. And it may be that through other research, through better manpower, searching through some of these pieces of information, we may find that there are more people who died of COVID-19 that we didn't realize that at first.
On Friday, Shelby County schools reported 15 new COVID-19 cases among staff members as students are still learning virtually, but did not release where those members worked. The Shelby County Health Department says 4 cases have been discovered at one school, which was not publicly identified. Dr. Stephen Threlkeld, infectious disease specialist for Baptist Memorial Healthcare, says if these cases are among teachers, those are more concerning.
Teachers are older than students, of course. Some of them are up into the age groups that might be of some increased risk. So teacher infections can be a lot more significant in terms of the damage that they can do than the infection of the kid. Meanwhile,
school districts surrounding Shelby County, many of which have hybrid learning models allowing some students to be in the classroom, are getting close to fall break. Director of Millington Schools, James Griffin, says they're asking parents to be responsible during the break, especially if they're traveling. Griffin says teachers plan to keep a close eye on students for COVID-19 symptoms when classes resume after the break.
Keep your 6-foot personal distance, social distance, mask up, and wash your hands, and just be smart. Make good decisions that will make everybody successful over this fall break.
Dr. Threlkeld says it's important to remember that even though you might be on vacation with your family and relaxing, that the COVID-19 virus doesn't take a vacation. And while you're traveling, you should take extra precautions to make sure you don't bring back new COVID-19 clusters to the Mid-South back home with you when you return. Reporting live in Memphis, Chris Luther, WMC Action News 5.